Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all having a great time. In this video I'm going to show you that how we are going to use a fill color with the stroke. You can see here we have this fill color, we have the stroke, we have the stroke size, we have the stroke profiles, and we have the brush definition. And I'm not going to describe this opacity and this style because I want to, and also this document setup and preference, because I want to make another videos, because this video is going to make it's going to be long, so that's why I don't want to make it long. So I want to make another video or record another video so we can discuss the other tools with Adobe Illustrator. So here I'm going to make a shape over my Adobe Illustrator. So this is a rectangle. So when I'm going to click on my selection tool, so here you can see only one stroke is going to show up here because we didn't fill it with any color. So that's why it doesn't show me anything. So if I select this shape, so from here I can assign a color from this color switch. This is called color switch with Adobe Illustrator. So here I'm going to select a color here. So this is all default color with Adobe Illustrator. So what if I want to change a color of this shape or object? So here on your left you can see this toolbar is available. You can click on this color and you can use different colors. You can enter your CMYK here, or you can see we have this RGB here. You can enter your RGB number, or directly you can enter your default code of the colors here, and it's going to apply on your shape. So from here I'm going to apply something like this. So now this is apply on my color switch, so this is maybe new to our color switch. So here I can select any color from here, and I can delete one of these color switches from here as well. So here we can click on the new switch. So what if I click? So what happens here is the selected color code, you can see from here, you can change it. You can see the RGB. Still I have this choice that I can change the RGB color from here, or I can enter here. So I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to click OK. So what happened here, this color is going to be add here. So you can see this. If I put my cursor, you can see the color code, and from here I can select any color, so I can delete them as well. And also if I click on the new group, so here let me show you. I'm going to make a copy of this. Control C, Control V. In Mac it's Command C, Command V. So let me try another color with this. So here I'm going to select all of these shapes. So from here I can click on new color group. So here new color group, I can click OK. So when you click OK, you can see now this color group is available here with this folder. With all these folders, it means that's all one under group. So here if I want to assign a color to my another shape over here, if I want to make a rectangle shape here, so here I can select one of these colors that I'm already selected here. So here you can see this color group, and also this black is also added because we didn't use a black color. But here if I want to add these three as a group color switch. So here I'm going to click. You're going to see that it's going to add me with a black color as well. So here let me remove this and let me change the color of here from this color picker. I'm going to change a color to something like this. So now if I select everything from here, so when I'm going to create this new color group, I'm going to OK. So you can see again it's going to add this black color over here. I can select this and I can change everything to this. So this is by default going to add it with the color switch. So this is how we can create color group with Adobe Illustrator. Also we can click on the gradient color. So if I select gradient, you can see the gradient color is going to apply on our object or on our vector or our shape. So from here also you can see we have this switch option. If I click here, you're going to see this as white and black switch option going to. So this is going to show me the color switch option. So let me Control Z and let me go to this color switch and here click on the switch option. So this is going to open me this switch option that I can enter the RGB color, and we can change that to something like this. So we can change everything. So because this object is selected, so that's why it's going to here the preview is also on, so that's why it's affecting on that. So if I select only one shape, so if I go to this switch option, so from here I can change the whole group because we selected the groups for our shape. So here I'm going to click OK. So if I going to unfill this, I can unfill it. So here I can do for that as well. So because we create this switches, so if I double click here, so I'm going to click OK, nothing is going to happen because if we change a color to something like this, so then it's going to take effect for only one, because we actually didn't select this one, we unfill this, so that's why it doesn't. If we didn't select this, so no color is going to apply from switch panel. So here also we have this row switches kind of menu. So if I click here, show color switches, so if I click, you can see now I can have this row based colors on my switch, and also I can see the show gradient colors. Only the gradients colors going to show up here. Show pattern switches, so here only the pattern switch is going to show up. So if I select, so this pattern switch is going to apply on my color. And also we have show color group, the color group that we created earlier. So here you can see this one is going to show up, and also other groups with this folder that's on the left side of our colors is going to call the color switch group. Also let me go here and click on the art history. So if I want to see some more colors, so I'm going to click on the middle edges. So you can see this middle edge is going to show up. So this is the colors that I can select for my shapes. So sometimes maybe you're going to design some arts inside Adobe Illustrator and required some more amazing colors. So you can click here and you can click on the foods, or here we have this metal, we have this nature, we have this patterns, we have this web. This all colors you can use inside Adobe Illustrator while you're going to click at them, and this is going to show up here. So from here you can select, or you can click on the next. So you can go to next colors and you can select one of colors, so you can apply on your shape. So this is how we use this color switches with Adobe Illustrator. And also here we have this stroke. So if I want to select the stroke color, so from here you can switch between the stroke and the fill color. So if I want to switch this to this color that we selected for our stroke, so let me select this yellow. So here if I want to switch them between them, so I can click, so this is going to apply. So what if I going to unfill this, so only a stroke is going to show up here, so the green stroke color. So here I'm going to put my cursor and use arrow keys, so you can see that the stroke is going to show up here while we are going to increase the size of the stroke. And also we have this stroke profile. We can assign for only one line, we can assign for the selected stroke that we have here. So let me show you. So if I select, you can see the color is going to show up here. Also let me do not forget that we are going to see all the switches color for the stroke as well. We can delete, we can create a new switch, we can do the same thing, but the difference is that it's for a stroke. So here we have all the default profiles that maybe I'm pretty sure not not you are going to actually need for this, but definitely you are going to need for these default profiles inside Adobe Illustrator while you are going to design something. So if I select one of these profile, you can see this is all the default profile. I can assign it on the stroke that's applied here. For only one line, so I can apply as well. So here let me make only one line. It's going to not take effect if you didn't, if I going to select with the one stroke, one size stroke, you can see that it's going to apply as well. So here let me increase the size and show you that if I apply, so this is going to be really useful with Adobe Illustrator while you're going to make some design and you require to apply default profile on that stroke. So from here also we have this brush definition. So let me select one of these like this one. So this is going to take effect. You can see this point is rounded, the point of this line is rounded, and also on this point you can see it's rounded because we applied this brush definition, so that's why it's changed. So from here I can select this different brush stroke as well. So let me increase the size so you can see that this is apply on the stroke. And also here you can see that if we select this, we can delete this, we can create a new brush. And if you want to see more brush, here we have all the default brushes. And like image brush, let me click on the image brush. So this is going to show me this little window or panel that I can select a brush, and I can go to next and I can select different kind of brushes from here. So you can use this for your design, for different stuff. So you are going to experience that we are going to use these brush tools while we are going to design something inside Adobe Illustrator, because it's too much useful. So that's why it's going to be used for different purposes. You can use these brush inside Adobe Illustrator. So like this one, I can use it for different purposes, like I can use it for my different designs, I can use it for my backgrounds. So this is how we are going to use these things. So in this video, and it's only dedicated to the fill color, stroke, switches, and the default stroke that we have these profiles available, and we define brushes here. And I'm not going to dig into this opacity and other options because I want to make another video. I don't want to make a long I don't want to actually go along all those topics for now, because I want to make another video and record for only this opacity and this style, and also recolor art, because this video is takes already much time. So that's why I want to end this video here. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something, and if you think this video is really helpful, Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to press the bell icon and the subscribe button as well. So see you guys until next video.